morning, welcome back again to another video. Today's episode, guys, I am here on the rocks fishing for my favorite King George whiting. So in this area, there's a lot of weedy areas and sand patches where the King George whitings are. So in today's episode, guys, hopefully we can get King George whitings, trevallies as well, I don't mind. So the bait we're going to use again, guys, are muleys, paternoster rig, 2 long shank hooks. If you're going to be targeting King George whitings, it needs to be a long shank hook. Sorry, I got the bait there, but the long shank hook, because the long shank hook, the hook is a bit narrow, so you know that the King George whiting's mouth is not that big, and they are bottom feeders as well, so you make sure that it's just not very long from the bottom, just near like that. And this will be an effective rig on catching some King George whitings. Woo, hopefully we can get our target species today. Let's start casting. All right, let's do our first cast. Beautiful, right on the spot where we wanted. Look what we've got, guys. Of course, there's always the wrasse in this area, so at the moment this is a very tiny one. Look at that, it's a baby. Where's your mom? All right, we're gonna let him go. Come on, mate. Phew! Get bigger. Oh, that's a good cast. At the moment, guys, nothing's really happening. I can feel a lot of nibbles, but I'm suspecting that they're just all butterfish and some, you know, our favorite blowies. But a while ago, I just forgot to, or I didn't film it. I got snagged really hard because I was pulled by really strong fish. It's a really strong fish. I reckon it's a big trevally, but yeah, it went into the reef, got me snagged. The fish got away, and yeah, but I managed to pull my whole rig back. That's a good thing. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's one, there's fish. There's a lot of nibbles. Come on. We've got a fish. We've got a fish. But I'm not sure what this one is. It is, oi, it is long. Oh, yes, our King George whiting. Oh boy, finally. Yes. All right, guys, perseverance and patience is the key. Look at that. This is our target fish for the morning. Woo. A King George whiting. I'm pretty sure this is already in the size limit. That's a very good King George whiting, guys. I thought it's all blowies that's in there, but wee, it's a very active fish. A slippery fish. Yep, it's a 30 centimeter whiting. Yes, this is the fish that I'm after, guys. Finally. Woo! Hopefully there's more. Whoop. Hopefully there's more. Whoop, I can feel. I can feel. They're there. They are here, guys. Whee! Oh, know your spot now. Let's keep casting on that area. There you go. It's all sand patches, guys. Look for the sand patches. So it's very good and very effective to wear polarized glasses or sunglasses, because you will really see, or you will effectively locate where the sand patches are. The bait I'm using, guys, is pilchard or muleys, because this is very smelly, and the fish will really be attracted into this one. So with fishing King George whiting, guys, it's better if you use squid tentacles, because you know it's good in casting. King George whiting loves that smell as well, and also when you cast it, it won't come off in your hook easily. So at the moment, guys, I've changed a little bit of direction, a little bit to the left. Try different sand patches. I'm pretty sure all the King George whitings are there. So we've got one already. It means to say they are really in those sand patches, but they're not plenty at the moment. Alright, so this will be our last cast for the morning, because all I can feel are just blowies. So if you want to know if it's a King George whiting or a bigger fish, once it has like nibbles on your hook or a bit of an inquiry, you will feel that it's really hard or like moving too much. But if it's just little tiny taps, I think you should call it a day and transfer into a different spot if you still have time. Alright, that's it for today, and I hope you've learned something in this short fishing session on how to catch the King George whiting. So again, guys, catching King George whiting, you need to look or locate sand patches, because all the sand whitings are there. So if you cast there, good bait, a little bit of high tide, definitely you can catch one. So make sure as well you wear polarized glasses, because you will see very clearly where those sand patches are. So thanks guys for watching. See you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like and that bell button. And see you in the next video, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy your day fishing. Wherever you are, guys, stay safe and keep fishing. See you in the next one. Bye.